SHIORI KAWANA. Today I'm gonna introduce the latest news from Tokyo Sports Press. And today's news will be, ta-da! It's a news about Daioika and the sign of earthquakes. Is Daioika a sign of earthquake? In Japan recently, monster squid Daioika and monster fish Ryugu no Tsukai has been spotted. An expert, Mr. Aramata, says it's a sign for earthquake. In ancient Japan, when mermaid was found in Japanese ocean, 3 years later, earthquake and tsunami occurred. So, Mr. Aramata is saying that Daioika and Ryugu no Tsukai must be a mermaid and it's a sign for an earthquake. Well, these two monsters doesn't look like a mermaid at all, but let's keep in our mind. See you next time. Bye bye.